About this item: fully compatibility for GoPro Hero 11/10/9 replacement batteries compatible for GoPro Hero 11/10/9 original GoPro Hero 11/10/9 black 3x1800 mAh batteries. More batteries, more photos. Smatree new batteries compatible for GoPro Hero 11/10/9 can triple your camera runtime. Quick charging battery for GoPro 11/10/9 with a Type-C port, which support quick charging. Red light means charging, green means fully charged. Can charge 3 batteries simultaneously and independently. For fast charging performance, safe charging battery for GoPro Hero 11/10/9 Smatree battery features more protection, overcharging, short circuit, high temperature, and surge protection, with high quality, fire-resistant construction, ensure complete protection for you and your devices. Patch including 3*1800 mAh rechargeable batteries compatibility for GoPro Hero 11/10/9, 1*3 channel charger, 1* USB-C cable, 1* instructions. If there is a problem during use, please feel free to contact us in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: fully compatibility for GoPro Hero 11/10/9 replacement batteries compatible for GoPro Hero